Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we dive into a global tech tug of war. How Apple is trying to balance between Make in India and Trump push for Make in USA. It's a story of economics, politics and power play that could impact every iPhone in your pocket. In the past, majority of Apple's manufacturing facilities operated predominantly in China, but then COVID happens, global supply chain cracked, add raising US-China tension, a new trade war that could impact global business, and the tech world start looking for a plan B. This was the birth of China Plus One strategy. Apple isn't alone. Tech giants like Samsung, Dell, and many more also began to shifting some manufacturing out of China. Enter India, a rising star with skilled labor, massive government incentive, and a hunger to become world's next tech manufacturing hub. Well, Apple start assembling its some of products in 2027, but it's very small unit. But post-COVID major expansion in 2022, and Apple announced that they want to make around 25% of its global iPhone production in India by 2025. But now Apple have three manufacturing plant in India and it make around 14% of its global iPhone in India. With in next 2 years they still aim to make 25% of its global products in India. Tariffs play a huge role too. When Trump was president, he hit Chinese import with a jaw-dropping 145% tariffs. Even after a deal, it's still 30% compared to India, where tariffs are around 26% and negotiations are underway to lower them. While US is the biggest market of Apple products, around 42% of Apple products are being sold in USA. If tariff hits on China, Apple going to suffer more and the customer of Apple. But things took a turn when Donald Trump criticized Tim Cook, Apple CEO, for Apple India's expansion.
And I had a little problem with Tim Cook yesterday. I said to him, Tim, you're my friend. I've treated you very good. You're coming in with $500 billion, but now I hear you're building all over India. I don't want you building in India. You can build in India if you want to take care of India, because India is one of the highest tariff nations in the world. It's very hard to sell into India. I said, Tim, look, we've treated you really good. We put up with all the plants that you built in China for years. Now you got to build us. We're not interested in you building in India.
In a recent tweet, Trump announced that he could impose 25% tariff on Apple if they manufacture their product in India or anywhere else other than USA. Well, if Apple manufacture their product in India and sell in USA with 25% tariff, it would be even cheaper for customers to buy Apple product than the USA. USA has high labor cost which could increase the cost of Apple product by 2 to 3 times than made in India product with 25% tariff. Will Apple stay in course with India or fall under US political heat? This isn't just about factories and phones. It's about global political shape the tech in your hands. So what do you think? Should Apple stick with India or manufacture their products in USA? Comment below your opinion and please like this video and subscribe my channel for more deep dive into tech and startup. Thank you for watching.